Hi guys, we received this outdoor Wi-Fi solar security camera for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's really nice. It uses a solar panel to maintain itself, and it comes with all the pieces that we're gonna need to do the installation, and I think that it's nice. This is a solar panel, okay. We have subset all the pieces that we're gonna need to do the installation process, all the screws, everything. This is a proper main unit. As you can see, you get these two antennas that you can set up independently. On this other side, we can have a little plate where you can use it, the USB Type C cord to connect it to our solar panel, and I think that's gonna be really nice. Okay, it also comes with all the pieces to do the installation, and I think it's gonna be really nice, really great to have it at your door or whenever you want to or wherever you want to place it. So let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it looks. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the installation process is actually really simple, and I think that this outdoor camera it's great because it's a all-weather resistant camera, as it is IP66 waterproof, which resists rain or snow and temperatures from -4 degrees up to 122 degrees, which I think that it's gonna be really nice. It uses just a solar panel to power on, and you can have a night vision, which I think that gonna come really handy. It also has a 355 degrees pan movement sideways, a 90-degree vertical tilt, which I think that it's really great. It also has a motion detection function, a Siren spotlight, and when it detects the motion, you get a notification through the application, which I think that is going to be really nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it looks amazing with the application. As you can see, you can control if it moves sideways, up and down. You can activate the sound so you can listen to it, which I think that it's really nice. You can also activate a alarm, as you can see. The alarm rings with the main unit, and I think that it's really nice. You can press to speak like this. The camera will record the camera will tell the audio, and I think that it's really nice. It works amazing. You can you can control it however you want, and I think that it's really nice. As you can see, it was a really easy installation, and I think that it's perfect to place wherever you need it, in your backyard, your entrance door, wherever you place it. I think it's gonna be really nice. And overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.